And Betty was working, looking after the kids, just to help the kids, the home, and help him through his education. She believed that when he finished, it would all pay off. They would have a better life. And he did finish. He became a lawyer for medical malpractice, suing bad doctors. But just soon after that, he finished. He got a great job, worked a few years, and then he opened his own law practice. And it was a very successful one. Before you knew it, he was a millionaire. But he was different. He was not the same man that Betty knew. He was never home. He was always out with his friends. And soon he hired a new lady to work at the firm. It was a young girl, 21-year-old girl, called Linda Colkenna. She had been a flight attendant, but now she was hired as a receptionist. And because Betty kept hearing Dan's friends mention Linda, she started